I run in the park every morning. The boy can jump very high. She eats cereals every morning. I drink water when I'm thirsty. She walks to get fit. They talk on the phone every night. He sleeps at 10 o'clock. I read a book before bed. She writes a letter to her friend. The girl sings very well. We dance at the party. My mom cooks dinner every evening. The children play in the garden. They laugh at the funny joke. The baby cries when he is hungry. Please open the window. Close the door, please. I buy items from online. They sell fruits at the market. My dad drives to work. She rides a bicycle every evening. We swim in the pool. I wash my face in the morning. She cleans her room every day. He watches TV at night. I listen to music in the balcony. She speaks English and French. We help our mother in the kitchen. He draws a picture in his iPad. She paints with bright colors. The boys throw the tomatoes. I catch the ball with one hand. They stand in a line. Please sit on the chair. He climbs the tree quickly. She kicks the ball into the goal. They laugh at the funny movie. I brush my teeth in the morning. He shouts for help. I love my family. She hates cold weather. He pulls the rope hard.